Hey everybody, welcome back to Villains and Vice. I'm Beth and I'm here with some more pin mail today. So this should be a very short and sweet video. I have another package from pinkalamode, which has become like my go-to for pins. They're really detailed and beautiful, and as long as they keep making villain pins, I'll keep coming back for them. So we have two pins in here. One is one of their limited editions, and the other one is a fake pin. Start with the fake pin. It's a little less exciting. But still exciting because, Mike, can you come get Lucky, please? Okay, go get Dad. Okay, never mind, so I'm coming. Alright, sorry. So the first one is a little exciting because it is a Maleficent pin, and that means that Maleficent will no longer be all by herself on an island on my pin board. I mean, it's a large island, but still her own island. So this is a Disneyvillains Maleficent collectible pin. It's a pinkalamode exclusive. Even the one I thought I ordered. Yeah, I know, sometimes. So it's not the pin I thought I was getting. It's okay, it's still Maleficent. It's Maleficent and Diablo. Looking real smug. I love it though. I love the like double texture of her outfit. Like there's gunmetal, but also like a glossy black. Can you see that? Does that come through? See, there's difference in here and like the middle of her horns. But she's beautiful. And the detail on him is spectacular. He looks like right out of the movie. So, not the pin I thought I had ordered, but that's okay because I really like it and I will just buy the other pin. And Maleficent can sit here and have a face-off with Lady Tremaine. Get that bird, Rucife. Get him. Okay. Surprise. Can't even keep track of what I've ordered. Alright, I do know what this one is. This one is a limited edition Villains pin, Snow White and the Evil Queen. These pins have also sold out very much like their other ones because I went back and forth about whether or not I wanted to get the Maleficent one, because at the time I wasn't actually collecting Maleficent pins. And I didn't do it. I just got the Evil Queen one and now it's sold out and now I'm mad. But look, this must be the backing they have for all the villain cards. It's Maleficent's dragon again. But look how beautiful the pin is. Let me get it off. Huge. I'm gonna put this. But this is gorgeous. It's gorgeous. It's like, I don't even know how to explain it. So the evil queen's face and crown are like opalized, and then you look at Snow White and her gown is glittery. You have the evil queen's crown on the top, Snow White's bow at the bottom. It's just a really, really stunning pin. Like even the detail on Snow's face is super cute. And that is a beaut, Clark. Oh, I love it. I don't know where it's gonna go. I've run out of room. These pinkalamode pins have taken over my board. All right, everybody's on there. I am just going to need a bigger board because we are very quickly running out of room. Thanks for stopping by for this very short, very sweet pinkalamode pin unboxing, unpackaging, opening, pin mail. I appreciate you tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.